Hello everyone, and this is Nexus. Welcome to 177 Oriole Avenue, Unit 1R in Pawtucket, Oriole Ave. Before we begin touring this small one-bedroom unit, I'd like to remind you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel that will receive all the latest updates and videos of our units, as well as news of real estate and property management. Thank you. So we started right in the kitchen of this newly updated one-bedroom, one-bathroom unit occupying first floor of a four-family home. Unit has been entirely repainted, offering like new linoleum floor throughout kitchen area, stainless steel appliances, large 4-burner gas stove, as well as a very large stainless steel fridge, plenty of vintage cabinets up and below, and counter space, little foyer right there by the main entrance, and some additional shelving on my right. One and only bedroom has like new carpet, fresh paint throughout, ceilings and walls, medium-sized closet, enough room to fit, I would say, queen-size bed. It will be a stretch possible. Some smaller would be ideal for this room, so small on the smaller side. One bedroom with no official living room, one kitchen, stainless steel appliances, room for dining set for sure, have high ceilings, and a medium size bedroom here, maybe a queen size bed at the most. It's a first floor. The building has coin-operated laundry and only street parking. So bathroom is also on the small side, and we do have it redone recently. Very fresh tub, sink, and you have fresh paint again. On the smaller size, one bedroom, one bathroom unit here in 177 Oriole Avenue. It is a nice residential established neighborhood of Pawtucket. Unit is ready immediately. Tenant has to pay gas and electricity. One bedroom, one bathroom, coin-operated laundry is on site. Once again, this is Nexus at 177 Oriole Avenue, Unit 1R.